Alright guys, so we finally located a utensil, got a fork, all my silverware has vanished, but I'm actually recycling. These are sturdy, you can rewash them, so don't throw them away, keep them. Get them from restaurants and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. The pasta I've made before, so I know how good it is. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and it's gonna be rocking. It already is. All right, so that's a little appetizer. Here I've got a big chunk of jackfruit, vegan pulled pork, pepper, onion. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, that's freaking good. Let's do another bite. All right, now I just want pure jackfruit. Wow. I'm a little speechless. All right, so that is the vegan pulled pork. It's freaking tasty, man. Especially, you know, with the garlic in there. See if we can't get it to unblur. The peppers. Choke on my butt. Anyway, it's easy to cook vegan. Have fun with it. I've got some mid-century American Pyrex here. It's freaking cool, man. Thanks for watching. Vegan Remy 222. A-Town down. Vegan for life.